Hello, let's take a look at the forecast across Europe over the next couple of days. And through Monday, we've got a cold front sweeping in from the northwest, and that's really going to drop the temperature across France, Germany, and also bring some heavy rain. And by the time we get to Tuesday, that cold front is situated across the Balkans and then running its way north and eastwards up into Russia. On this is going to be some really heavy rain, some mountain snow and some gusty winds. Meanwhile, looking fine, dry across Turkey, Cyprus, much of Greece and the Greek islands. Although for the far north of Greece, more in the way of cloud outbreaks of rain across the Balkans with some really strong and gusty winds, particularly across Croatia. We've got severe warnings in place. And then to the north of this, we're in the cold air, a big temperature drop across much of Germany, France and into the British Isles, and still very windy across a large swathe of Scandinavia. Also stays very unsettled across Iberia. By the time we get to Wednesday, we've got further heavy thundery showers here, just pushing in to the far southwest of France. Elsewhere, though, we've got high pressure and with lighter winds, feeling warmer on Wednesday. Temperatures getting up to around 21 Celsius in Paris. Here's a look at the city forecast then over the next few days. We'll see the temperatures rising in both London and Paris. It's looking mainly dry, but still very unsettled in Madrid. More showers or longer spells of rain. Turning sunnier and warmer in Berlin, but staying quite wintry with some showers in Moscow. Hello, around 50 tornadoes were reported on Sunday from Texas into Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee and Georgia. And this potent system continues to slide its way eastwards on Monday. The tornado risk extends across into Georgia, through the Carolinas and into Virginia and elsewhere. Torrential rain, severe thunderstorms, large hail and damaging winds. To the north of the Great Lakes, we'd like to see some snow into Ontario, some rain and snow across parts of the Sierra Nevada and also into Alaska as well. And some of that may just fringe into the far northwest of British Columbia on Monday. But for much of British Columbia, it's looking fine and dry. That extends into Alberta and parts of Saskatchewan as well. Some sunshine as we move down into California. One or two showers, particularly towards the Sierra Nevada, where we'd like to see further snow given any elevation. Here are the city forecasts over the next couple of days. Keep some sunshine in Vancouver, temperatures rising just slightly. LA looking fine and dry, again with the temperatures perking up by a degree or so. But across the eastern seaboard, you can see the extent of this potent system. Torrential rain, thunderstorms, large hail. The tornado risk on Monday is across Virginia, through the Carolinas and also still continuing across Georgia for a time. Strong winds further south and east, still holding on to some warmth across the southern part of Florida. But elsewhere, we're starting to see that cold air digging down and that system will ease away. Things will start to turn drier and quieter. Hello, thanks for joining me. We'll get the forecast for Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean in just a moment's time. First is South America. Here's the earlier satellite picture. Two areas of cloud to pick out. The first across Argentina. That's been bringing some outbreaks of rain. To the north, the ever familiar speckled cloud, indicating the showers and the thunderstorms, and plenty more of those as we go through Monday, but not as many as we would normally expect across parts of Colombia and Venezuela. Here, things are looking warmer and drier. Still some heavy showers to the north and west of Colombia and also down into Ecuador. We can see the showers piling in across the Amazon basin, across to the eastern side of Brazil. Fewer and further between as we head further south and east across Brazil. And for a large swathe of Argentina, it's mainly dry. A few sharp showers to the north. That range is still continuing for a time to the south of Buenos Aires. Across southern parts of Chile, cooler, wetter and windier. Here are the city forecasts over the next 5 days. We'll see some rain arriving into Rio as the week wears on. In Buenos Aires, the rain will clear, sunshine returns and the temperatures will be on the rise. Across much of Mexico on Monday, it is looking mainly dry with a good deal of sunshine. Showers most likely to develop as we head further south towards Costa Rica and Panama. A lot of fine dry weather across the Caribbean with temperatures in the low, if not mid 30 Celsius. So a quick look then at the city forecast over the next 5 days. Could see some showers in Havana. It stays mainly dry in Kingston. Some showers never too far away from San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello, thank you for joining me. We'll get the forecast for the Middle East in just a moment's time. First to Africa. Let's begin with the earlier satellite picture. Cloud associated with seasonal rains. Very easy to pick out where we expect it to be at this time of the year. But we've got an area of cloud and some very heavy rain across the southeast of South Africa on Tuesday. That's likely to bring some thunderstorms as well. Also some outbreaks of rain across northwestern parts of Africa, through Mauritania into northwestern parts of Algeria. So some showery rain across parts of Morocco. Some very heavy rain continuing across the far northeast of Madagascar, and some rain returning to Uganda, where it's been drier recently. Here are the city forecasts for the next 5 days. Dry with some sunshine in Cape Town, temperatures rising by the time we get to the weekend. We're going to keep some outbreaks of rain on and off in Joburg. Wednesday, probably the drier and sunnier day of the week. Lots of sunshine in Khartoum, temperatures rising here into the high 30s Celsius, turning a little bit warmer in Casablanca as well, but some rain here by the weekend. So showery rain clearing its way eastwards out of Iran for now, pushing into Afghanistan and northern parts of Pakistan. Looking at some showers across Saudi Arabia, across the north and also across the south down into Oman, could well be heavy and thundery. And with those showers could well be some gusty winds as well. And it looks like the showers could become a little bit more widespread across this part of the Middle East in the week ahead. Certainly in our city forecast, there's a chance of some showers in Muscat and also in Riyadh and in Kuwait as well. Bye-bye. Hello, thank you for joining me. Let's take a look at the forecast across South and Central Asia. And over the next couple of days, there are multiple weather warnings in place for a number of things. Firstly, for thunderstorms for some northern and northeastern states. We've also got heatwave warnings in place across parts of Gujarat and into Madhya Pradesh. And also some stronger winds developing at times across Gujarat. And that could lead to some dust storms. So here's the forecast as we go from Monday night into Tuesday, where we see the bright blue colours. It gives us an indication of where we could see some heavy showers and thunderstorms through parts of Sri Lanka into the Maldives. Further north now across Central Asia, and you can see these areas of blue and white. That's heavy showers, longer spells of rain, and also mountain snow working its way through Afghanistan and also some northern parts of Pakistan as well. As we head further south, things are looking drier but very warm. As I mentioned, we've got heatwave warnings through parts of Gujarat and into Madhya Pradesh. Things are looking largely dry. We go into Kerala, Karnataka, chance of some heavy showers through the Maldives and across Sri Lanka. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh looking largely dry on Tuesday. Could see some heavy showers into parts of Assam. So here are the city forecasts over the next 5 days. We keep the sunshine and the heat in Mumbai and also in Islamabad as well, although things will start to cool down a little bit here with some showers by the end of the week. Things getting warmer in Tashkent and temperatures in both New Delhi and Chennai in the mid to high 30 Celsius. Hello, the heat easing now across parts of Western Australia after some record-breaking temperatures through the weekend. Perth saw a high of 39 Celsius on Saturday. We'll come back to Australasia in just a moment's time. First to Asia Pacific, we're going to start in Japan, where there's been a deep area of low pressure affecting the country in the last couple of days, bringing torrential rain, severe gales and also large waves. As we go through Tuesday, it's pulling away north and east with still some strong winds for a time. Eventually, they'll start to ease down. As we head across into China, things are mainly quiet underneath an area of high pressure, but quite a bit of cloud. That could bring some patchy rain at times. Chance of some heavy showers continuing through parts of Vietnam and Thailand, indicated here by the blue and in places green colours. Similar sort of situation across Indonesia and Malaysia. Some sunshine in between. Keep some sunshine in Osaka in the days ahead. Some thunderstorms returning by the time we get to the weekend. Bangkok looking mainly dry, but we can't rule out a few thunderstorms. So the heat now easing across Western Australia. Across much of Australia, high pressure is the dominant feature and starting to see temperatures rising across southeastern parts of Australia. It's been wet and windy across New Zealand in recent days. That area of low pressure will be drifting away by Tuesday, so some sunshine returning, and in the next few days things will turn a little bit milder again. Here's a look at the city forecast for the next 5 days. Some warmth in Sydney, could see some outbreaks of rain in Melbourne, some rain returning to Wellington.